Hey, I'm Matias with Toast, and today is iPhone day. So we've got a box here. This is the newest iPhone 11, just arrived, and we're gonna take a look. So let's see what we got here. As you can see, still sealed up and everything. We get our first impressions and figure out what we're gonna do to toast this thing. Alright, so this is the new iPhone 11, not the Pro. This is the sort of replacement for the XR, or 10R. Glad we're getting away from that nomenclature. And this is in the black, space gray, I guess. And yeah, it's got the same sort of feels, you know, a little thicker, like the XR or the 10R was. But other than that, I'm not seeing really any changes other than the big one on the back. So we're back to, we got two lenses now, so like the 10s, the full 10s. And we've got their new square section on the back. We'll add some new details around that, you know, how it rolls up on the glass there. We'll maybe make a nice little Toast laser cut detail. Let's just fire it up and I should take a look at the screen on this guy. Just booting up there.
One eternity later.
Taking a little while. New processor. Oh, there we go. So yeah, it looks really similar as far as like the bezels around there. We got the big notch on the top. So not a big departure there. Yeah, I mean, really, other than the cameras, we're looking at very similar features and feel to it. So we're gonna take a look at this and get working on it right away. We've got a bunch of pre-orders on the website, and so we're gonna get this going, get it shipping as soon as possible. So thanks for joining us. I'm Matias with Toast. If you like these videos, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.